Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to install the sliders on the S22. Therefore we need the CNC sliders, rollers, dirt protectors, some bolts and the pins for the suspension linkages, and of course the wrap parts to install as well. So let's jump right into it and get the sliders assembled to the bracket like this, with at the bottom 2 pins to the back and 2 to the front. So a little bit of Loctite and let's bolt them down. So next we need a flat metal bar that fits in between the bracket and the rim as a support when tapping on the rollers with a 6mm socket, and let's hope that goes smooth and easy. Most rollers went on quite easy except for the top ones on both sides, because of the pin was a bit oval, so it needed a bit more hammering, but they all seated down all the way, so now we can start mounting the rest of the parts. So next we got these longer wrist pins to replace the original ones with, because they are a bit too short and when tightening you create some extra friction, so let's replace them as well. Now that we got the suspension put back together, we can start cleaning the T-slots on the batteries and add the dirt protectors to the sliders, so we can then put the frame back onto the wheel and attach the rest. Again, upgraded with the CNC sliders, longer wrist pins and the wrap parts. I'll put the details in the description. But for now it feels already totally different, very smooth, and yeah, the only thing left to do is go test it out in the field and see how the rollers hold up over time. The suspension just feels awesome. It's a day and night difference. It's so much smoother, responsive. Yeah, it's just great. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or feedback, leave them down below in the comments. Else, like, share and subscribe, and till next time.